Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2009 Chevy Equinox and I will show you how to program new key fob to this vehicle. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2005 all the way up to 2009. Okay, now this is quite easy to do. To start, you'll want to insert the key into the ignition lock and turn it to the wrong position. Do not start the vehicle. And then you will be using these menu buttons right here to scroll through the menu. So you want to keep pressing this car button. So keep pressing it until you reach key fob relearn. Okay, learn remote key, press check mark to begin. Now I want to press this button, a check mark. And the remote key learning is now active. And now to program each new key fob, you want to press and hold the lock and unlock button for maybe 10-15 seconds. Okay, and you will hear two beeps, and once you hear that, that means this key fob is programmed. And now you can follow up with as many key fobs as you like. And once you're done, just turn the key to the off, remove it, and that's it. Your new key fob should be working now. Okay, and now you can give it a try. Lock, unlock, everything works. So that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.